who are carrying CVs as a proof and a living alibi that these South Africans are seeking work. And if we are faced with a question that with a response that they don't have inspectors, these people are carrying CVs so that they can assist government in identifying or inspect places, identify places that are employing foreigners here in Cape Town. We are saying that there's no government that is going to be able to build any new jobs. Jobs are here. We don't have an unemployment crisis in South Africa. The only crisis that we have is that jobs meant for South Africans are occupied by non-South Africans.
Van ek is moeg en ek is siek as in Suid-Afrika, man, hier citizen van Suid-Afrika, hier gebore, maar ek is moeg van sien foreigners loop week toes, hotel wekers toe, maar dis alle weet wat sy kan doen, hoe kan ek op buisweek, hoe ek kan via kantoor, kan ek ook doen, net soos sy kan doen. Nou, wie sy om hy week te kry van 'n buitelander?
During the years, I've seen our people being replaced by foreigners, mostly illegal foreigners who are not supposed to be in the country in the first place. So that is an injustice in itself. And when the people complain about it, they are called xenophobic and vigilante and all kinds of names. Yet our people only fighting for their basic right and their basic need for basic humanity, to uphold the heritage of the country with their right to dignity, to feed their families and to work for their families.